Hello, this is my assignment recording. I'm going to go and delete this database. Then I'm going to create a new one. First quiz one. I'm going to name it Caesar database. Caesar database. Simplest name I want to use. Paste it over here. Just put this to Singapore. Make it free. And while it's creating, I'm going to pause it a little bit. Now available. So I'm going to go to Postgres, the main page main. I'm going to remove the server. Okay. I'm going to come here. The pick. First of all, I need the external database URL. I'm going to come here. Register server. I'm going to call it render. Go to connections. Put in the external. I'll have to delete all this. Then I also have to delete all of this. And I would need to copy the name. I need the name of my database. This one. Then I'm going to come and post it here. Also here. Then I'm going to come get the password. Copy it. Put it here. Save. Then I'm going to go to the parameters and ensure that this is required. Then I'm going to have to save this. So as it is saving, okay, going to have to go to the VS Studio Code, pick my build code, copy it, then I come to my Postgres, expand it, the internet is a problem, expand it, expand the Caesar database, it's already expanded, go to Fabric, I'll create a query tool, which I'm going to paste here. I need to change something small, my code. Okay. Here, then can be able to run it. If successful, I'll be able to refresh this and then come to the tables. I'm going to click to view all raw data. As you can see, that is my table successfully created, and that also. Thank you.